What's up, guys? In this video I will reveal to you the other websites which I use in mining BNB 3% every single day, and I've been using this website for more than a month now, and I'm going to be revealing in this video, like I promised in my other video where I talked about how you can mine Bitcoin and earn 4% every single day. So if you've not watched that video, you might also want to watch it as well. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Now, what first thing I want us to look at before we go into how the whole platform works, the name of this name of this platform is BNB Miner, and if you look at what has been happening there over the month, you will see that a lot has been happening actually. Now if you click on all right here, you will notice something. This platform actually started somewhere around April 2021, as we are seeing it right here, and it had some spike around October last year. It started around April 2021, and had a spike around October, and also things has been moving very well. Users has been flocking into it. Basically, it's one of the best performing BNB miner that I have ever participated in, actually running for I think 500 plus days now. All right, and as you can see, in the past 7 days, things are still going very well. People are still joining. All right, if you take a look at the transactions on the past 24 hours, which is actually a very good point to look at, okay, to see how active things are. We have 8,000 plus transactions, 4,000 plus members, so we still have the platform still have $1.2 million worth of BNB in the smart contract. So it's very, very, very healthy and growing steadily. That's basically because of how it works, which I'm going to show in this video. Now let's head over to the site. If you want to go to the site, you check the link below this video. It will take you over to the site. Now basically all you need to do here is you need to connect your wallet. Okay, that's the first thing you do. Now I'm going to be doing a deposit video, because in the other one I did not do a deposit, though deposit was already there before I did the video, so a lot of people complain. And I'm going to be using a new account. Just deposit I think $40 plus. I'm going to be using it for this. I've actually doubled my money in the other account already. So what I'm going to do right now is I've already sent $40 into this account, and I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can do the whole thing. So first thing you need to do when you come to the site, you need to click on connect wallets, choose the wallets which you want to use to connect. You can open this both on MetaMask and Trust Wallet. All right, you just need to click on the link below this video. And if you can't open it on your mobile phone, just go to my Telegram group through the link that I'm going to provide as well, and copy it and open it on your DAO browser. All right, so here connect wallet, and as you can see, it says connected, and it's connected, and this is this is the balance I have on those wallets, which is 1.8 BNB. So basically, the way it works is this: if you want to deposit, what you need to do is just to click right here and type in the amount you want to deposit. Now before I do that, I want to explain some things. This compounding simply means that if you want your daily earnings, like I said, 3% every single day, if you want it to be added back to your total amount that is locked, you just click on compound, then it will lock it back. Let's say, for example, you have $100 worth of BNB, which you started with, and every day you earn $3, right? And you want it to be compounding for you every single day. All you need to do is just for it to come here and click compound, and your earnings, which is going to display right here, will now be sent back and locked again. So is a kind of you keep increasing your capital. Okay, so that is basically what the compound is all about. Then in case you want to withdraw any amount you've earned here so far into your MetaMask or into your Trust Wallet directly, you just click on pocket your BNB and it gets back to you. So on the site as well, there are also videos from members. They actually have a very large community Okay, they actually have a very large community. If you want to join that community, you just have to click on the Telegram channel, on the Telegram link, and you get access to their Telegram channels. So yes, there's also a referral structure whereby you get 10% from anyone who buys the miner or who invests in quotes, okay, on the platform. So if you want to see their contract addresses, you just need to come over here, you click on it, and it will take you to where they have their contract, and you see how much they have locked and the rest of them. So you can also read all this to get more info on how the whole thing works. So what we're going to do right now is that we are going to deposit on those accounts. So if you want to deposit, all you need to do is to select the amount you want to deposit. For me, I'm going to be depositing 0.15. All right, so once you select, it's going to tell you the amount of miners. This amount of miners is just like the mining power that you are going to get from this particular amount that you deposit right here. So if you want to do that, once you enter the amount, you click on higher this amount of miners, then you click on it. Then a transaction, you need to confirm transaction on your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and you click on confirm. Now once you click on confirm, you are going to see the amount that you've locked right here. So it says transaction submitted. So as you can see, is it, so it takes a little bit of fee, which basically is for their marketing purpose and the rest of them. So as you can see right here, this is how much I've invested on this platform, okay, and very soon I'll start seeing figures counting here, and whenever it gets filled, okay, I can always come and compound it, put it back, or I can just click on pocket my BNB, and it's the whatever I see here will be withdrawn to my wallet. So guys, that is basically how it works, and make sure to also do your own research if you want to go into this, though like I told you, it's actually been running for a very long time. It's actually one of the best. Okay, it's been running for a very long time, and I'm very confident with it. I've actually made back my capitals in this platform. So you might want to, if you want to try it, then good luck to you. So guys, that's just it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and do have a lovely day ahead. All right, thank you.